There's a group of people that you come across. They're telling you about the new business they want to start, the new property they want to buy, or some new venture they want to embark on. You meet them 2 years, 3 years later, and they're still telling you about this great business idea that they want to embark on, this great investment strategy or property that they want to take on, but nothing really tangible comes out of this conversation. They have all the information, but they never really just get started. I call them dinner table investors. Maybe you're like me, still holding on to those warm memories from Christmas and New Year. Or one of those casual get together with friends and family. You're leaning across the bar, talking about everything from viral cat videos to much deeper conversations about careers, money, and what everyone has really been up to. Without fail, at some point in the night, property investing comes up. I've lost count of the number of times I've spoken to would-be investors at gatherings like this. People who tell me they've done all the research, they've read books, they are ready, and they're about to get started. And then they drop a phrase that makes my internal alarm bells go wow, wow, wow. Here are 4 phrases I hear every single time in one of those gatherings. If you've ever said any one of these, this video is for you. 1, debt is bad. I don't want to get into debt. I'm just going to wait until I save enough cash before I start. We've all been raised with the same narrative, but here is the truth that no one explains properly. Debt is not the problem. Uninformed debt is the problem. Used responsibly, debt can be one of the most powerful wealth building tools available. If you've run the numbers, you understood the risk, and you still decide that debt or credit is not for you, then fair enough. But most people don't do that. They just repeat what they were told without even questioning it. If this sounds like you, I have a video on why rushing to pay off your mortgage might actually be holding you back and not a very good idea. And the second one, I just paid £5,000 for a property mentorship or a course. Actually, no one ever says 5,000. It's always £4,927 for some reason. Listen, there are endless free and low-cost property education out there. Podcasts, books, YouTube, case studies. There are no secret strategies hidden behind any velvet rope. No inner circle with magic information. If you have limited capital to start a business or invest, here is a radical idea from me. Save your money for an actual investment. The third one is, I've secured a great BMV deal, £10,000 below market value or below asking price. Wait, let me stop you right there. The asking price means nothing. It's just a marketing price, not a valuation. That £10,000 might actually be a bargain, or the property might have even been overpriced by £15,000 in the first place, which means you've still overpaid by £5,000. Discounts, they really don't matter. Value does. That's why you need to follow a strict process when assessing deals to make sure you never overpay for a deal. And the fourth one is, I'll start investing when one of these scary events, is over. Recession, Brexit, election, the budget, interest rates. For over a decade, there's always a reason to wait. But here is the irony. Almost everyone who's invested despite the noise have been rewarded in property. Meanwhile, those who sat on the sidelines have watched inflation eat away into their cash. Funny enough, when it does feel like the perfect time and everyone is piling in, that is usually not the greatest time to invest, because that means like a crash is around the corner. Final thought. If you recognize yourself in any of these dinner table conversations, you're not alone. Awareness is the first step. The difference between investors who talk and investors who win is action. So please go out there and take the necessary action to make this year your greatest year in business, investing, or self-development. Don't just talk the talk, but walk the walk. So until next time, don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you later. Invest wise and invest smart.